I wouldn't be a prophet of doom, says Honorable Katachie. Na sɛnea osi kyerɛ no deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ ehu bi na ɔbɔ nkorɔfoɔ na sɛ bɛyɛ MPP ɛbɛkɔ so no Honorable mame musa saa asɛm wei ka deɛ wonim menkyekyerew bɛkwae MPP mu no ebinom didi gya bi anaasɛ ebi nya bibi kyɛ obi obi nya mfaso kyɛ obi adenti na wantwi free tete na afedi asama ne home ne so saa de wonim no utimeka ayamasem bisa keke
yo me na me da sepa no asem bi sɛ edidija de mpanifo se anim no na ede enam ene party nhyehyɛ no sɛ de sitie no eden ebibe didi ede ejabi since ofa the whole Ghana crana enipa be 5 million and a to Abama MPP. Though no be an MPP member, we have MPP members and then we have MPP supporters. But a bad appointment, no be an 77 producer, a bit my point no. Obi oha party ni EST in power action. Na ono so akwanya ABA de. E man me kaze emre when power. Na me kura me wosrim a me tse ma de. Na omo nimi wo MPP mu pa London ne omo hume na de nkofo e ma post you de unya bi wabregu na say da bi he who laughs last laughs best memre so be de ebeba ampa me wa adako e scratch bra be sin ko for application bra na be sin ko interview na ampa na me so me de aba enti sanete enti bekwae no menim se saa nete ebi benya bi ebi nya de enya bi nti the more I stay in power no saa ne beba but me interactions ne me observations ene in some mete no eno ma bebre se be ekoso party no ma enkoye but ye party no ya eno ma bi wo a ye kan internal ya ye mpese de betu dwa se de amansan nyina etie no eno ma bi akokokoso a entwa ya ye mu bi ya express displeasure yet mesiesie ewo kwan bi so ama me fa ne se abotre kakra de aba ko duru bebi na ntokwa nyina wo se de tie no but ye mpese be kan ensem bebre ewo abonten ntimi de ya na MPP platform no so no na me boja ho pa se winye se scholarship na eba momma sebe electoral areas nyina asonte ye electoral area coordinators your police station executives momma man so say ebia scholarship eba 20 electoral areas 34 ye be ne den ena obi anya bebia o first 20 electoral area bia mfa nipa ba kon anya den emra next time ebi ba and every another year no bi ba another omoma anya bi no enso die ni but ebi wo ha ebe ba no won't cry, don't want to say fine na ya chama nasa. This o konkura se no kwa campaign and I say no mo kakasa na wuti o mano. I say e ya obi hye nipa ni mu. To bi wokro to ka je me to ababiem. Na esa na me ho adwiri me say no want to ababiem a MPP e be sofa na esa ko position na wo pe. Ti na so otimi nipa no kasa na convince no. Na wuti ensam na won so di abamba ni for say o minu an say na ekoso because bu wa wote bekwa ha executive ebi kura wonko sebe mpaso bia so nko enkotie de ekoso no wo a wo ko na wo kwakotie so abeka no a ye fi se bia odi papa mu eneba
watimi aye wa company fo ni bi ho se ukobu wodi nsem bi se ekoto omanim ama oma ignore that and I say bi oma brush off oma ntie de wo ka me say me ne MP din komo me ne MC din komo me party executive no omo platform din na e kasa so me masem no me fan kwa bonte me ka de also respond don't respond no biwa on responder fine no meeting me for so say chinchina maka asem ye de respond but me tell say these are the repercussions if you want respond as my mekana e de be party no during elections e bi ne disqualification ya eba o mo three petitions o mo pese ye disqualify papa no me catch o mo say mo ma papa na ye popular mo ma lo ya amofa aye popular
chese se mo si enimu na monye komu no ngofa ne form na oduru vetting na let's say ho no mo disqualify no kra eno no obi akrante na se na magim yam ene manim mo hwe kata kese se mo pese mo disqualify no or because mo pese on oppose baso ne de mo yesa ono so ade hye because papa no say wo mama ne dia kakraka
ani musa we intentem NDC sorry MPP be quite MPP in particular divisions
efie bia ni wa wontu ne de enim to bi ka say wontu ni ba bia na ada na oda but MPP ade ya ade ne say even if there are certain divisions cry etimi trase ekabum before we face the general elections and the mean ka say division because man who be say me ka say e bi asisi e bi wa ntokwa ne ade but yetimi aka kokwa mu ama normally be wa ntimi MP abonten say de ye hu no eno kire say the leadership is in control and you know boy say nyasem bia na sebe o say de betu dwa na obi ti asem ne ade na say de esen ketema kono saa na amanyosem so tie obi afini fie na ede eba we see eno kranti na man ya amanyosem because we disagree to agree we because we do we dey moment fanto we see that bi enti party bia no disagreement ni de ho but what we should do is it shouldn't generate into a situation say bia we say men kasa we ho ana we na me kopra no ana me ko enese I think so far no MPP has comported itself in the Bekwai constituency before say after this primaries no enyina besa kan bom na yetimi ay campaign ay mo odin na yetimi de age power no asa atena ho biem
yo say obi kan say otomfo o hwefa kono na ho ne hia no MPP Bekwai MPP Bekwai. Okay, controversial question. Abrebi ebesia obi aye man controversial question baako. Mam fe no mpem no. Honorable wadarumo we dey ebusani akotew. Madam for lawyer Joe Seusu, the first deputy speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Ghana. Any incoming lawyer ono so me na ya adwuma da ba no minim se or political ambition lawyer Mufa ada meshia no ense na o merciful di omo anniversary ya me koye documentary bi ma omo e ho na me ni share na minim da sesia lawyer Mufa in question any the incumbent MP which is lawyer Joe Seusu. What exercise will be na what are obi echi
it has ba before na me catch the MP for a platform so and be quiet for no say until we get an extremely better person for the contest our best bet still remains our honorable MP Joe Wise.
And now, are you having the better person to come into the contest?
As Masman American. At that time, no, na Obia Mai. And Tina Binum say, Binum was a concrashena. I feel the Entwaba, be a lawyer, I knew Yama and Adam to Munabate. So far, no, Obia Noa, Oba. 7 to at the pay crown cotton tune. Babra, unya for phobia. So the command this in it, and no. And the Emra Papa, lawyer, Kosamufa, a unity no. In fact, me and Casa Oya Missinia, or Opokuare, that be over 6 form of Opokuare school. And the honor Medinimono. And the Obamono, no say, Yemubina, Sabe, a politics, no. You dig it in the background, what he's been doing, his vision. Etc. Na yare compare lawyer Joe Seusu na asane mu bi me am a delegate as I said na hu se abano de na beto akọ tenese ya me ka kire platform no say now say contest beba so there then we have to get the message from the two competitors because before no message aneba so you honorable MP no ya pagya na ma akwa deputy first deputy speaker ndi ba bi adina duru ne de ya san pagya no na munyam ne mra ene adade one school of thought so say no say pagya mo akọ heaven dia na say emu bi kura nko heaven dia ene ba bi e wo no aha ye bonsam gemu dia ene pe da bi fe kọ ba bi a eja no enye de enhyehyɛ ne ye wonkwan de wokɔ na sila age na gemu dia na emfaso be na e wo so. That's another school of thought. And two team can't say me say ebia baby agina kodru no enya na man nko na ebia me so before say me di na chia mpuntu a me hwe obekwa no menya. You can't convince me with that message. Enti me I won't buy that message. Obi say oh ono so message na to na so. That is good. Le amofano so aba ono so was start youth development and scholarship. Nanu ya football university about 60,000 Ghana cedis. Normal bi wa one so aye ono so vision no development ya say ono so ba oba say the welfare of the delegates and the welfare of the quiet citizens no and so be kwa anymore. Enti wentu ye ba say empene man contest ni adade ma so far no the campaign managers of the two contestants no have not come out to tell us, and then me true challenge is that they should come and convince we the delegates because me no.
No, that does not answer my question. My question is say, have you taken a side? I
have not taken a side because I've not gotten the message of the two competitors for now. Now that maybe it's clear, say be a contest, you know, I think they will come out say, me otu abama me say ni so na ebi honorable zo moto abama me pen but this time mo sa to man bi ma say ni so then I weigh the two.
You weigh the two maybe and you see open competition mamembu say are you anticipating a two candidature contest?
Yes unopposed there me pe because unopposed there oh no you can say unopposed on opekura on free obiem because you say do popular acclamation over to man no aye no wakoe.
The American say are you anticipating say there will be a contest?
Yeah, I know. I'm confident. Say appeals committee will not uphold the decision of the regional vetting committee because it is a no. It is the repercussions. No, so much disqualify na. Me they say won crash. I have phone na abem ordinary citizens abem say MPP delegates 800. 800 at most 850. 850 no, but because 90,000 voters. And there's a moment chinchim. And I say more disqualify will be on the basis of which basis I mean to be. Na enipa 800 no. Omu nyina kraka se bia. Okay, your preso yamfa jo honorable jo wise nkwa. 90,000 out there no. Will not agree.
No, Nema Ujina so tres asem no say you are not a prophet of doom. But say Mofa can be so disqualify lawyer Mufa. The base no enye ma MPP. And you sent to from name people will not vote.
Apart beba because me na here for be breeding come me opinion leader didn't come. Almost mo wo kokro mo MPP for mo na mo say mo ma lawyer Mufa ma no. Mo de mo ntra say mo dodo esen. Mo 800 na mo koto aba no. Mo tu wi a you come and meet us. So these when we hear some of these messages na we just show intermediate me say appeal committee say ni mo ya no omo fa verdict ni mra no mo regional vetting committee na sem no entonchen no mo ma contest emra be kwai say the beya say lawyer mo fa kra ko na sabio olusu a ye betimi convincing the cheater for no amo mo de mo abere abehye campaign mo amaye nyina etima campaign na etimi a retain power.
Okay, move to retain power. Last but not the least question. Maybe the same way. Say appeals committee verdict neba na disqualify lawyer Mofa. What will you do? Message Ben na
as a party man no there's nothing I can do than to support my candidate. But there are options for maybe any pana or no. Ebia obaka say I mean me and me independent. And we have a history. Emra Joe say Usuba 2008.
Already undisqualifying.
Undisqualifying, no, but on crowd then there or toy and lose you no so company. So on crowd body and one penny. Can disqualify no crowd no independent. and could be better as but on the crowd what quantas never you lose was a minute. You get it, but we know there. On the Obama man form to according to form, I be have it as disqualifying. Inti Ninko for no, Sayano, and idea on Bepe. Omukra African Mubikra say uncle independent. Now, as I was saying, it be beyond as I go back to 2008. And that is my fear because 2008, another was presidential candidate. When Mama, all because of Sir independent candidate. And then on one say presidential candidate. None the time, the same, but why? Na yakoi bibi nwan na asako yet say independent decide baby and history could itself, which I as a politician I foresee say it not inure to the benefit of our great party, the MPP. And until I may no me say no matter what appeal committee omoma papa na nyere ekwan na uncontested na competing ideas na yeah, as delegates, need to mean choose to convince the masses. So, say na identity of a women, your party name, and say, contest now lose. A chess, Fahumba, the woman in any campaign. Near to many be a catching, but the Oko disqualify now. Now, maybe could not see any campaign into Abama, we know because them mentomano because most see me nipa na me feel say obetimi aboa me dache ti me fear no.
Okay, me fear no. I am not a prophet of doom, but with my political experience, the study of Bekwai politics in the last few days or last few years, and my interactions with a vast majority of the local people, any attempt to disqualify lawyer Amofa will not inure to the benefit of our great party in Bekwai. Sanko Moway and Amene Honorable Katechie, Assembly member for Dadiase electoral area. Asante Bekwai, count a huasem kakara. Na one day was say betimia, Omoma Kamtishi Mrem. Wa berino, near catch us a warrior support to assume Messi. Honorable, se bibichi yadrine pa. Yabeba hona yabeda wase panso se yato yensa frɛ waba na wapene so na ne yatwetwe nkomo e wo Kofi Agyenkwa TV yada sepa na wo asɛm bi etwa to ka yabema kwan kakra bi
me da sepa so so ama kwanya na me so matimi de ensɛm yatodwa mesre se politics de yenyina ntimi enko afa emane nyeye se ekobampo se competition no ebaso na efa ba ko lusu a ye nyina ye nka momu na entide obawin no achi na yenye campaign no ema MPP sempo se ko ba se appeals committee no ka se dabi papa no kan ne kan eno na misto no eno de ye be fa kwan ye so betimi convince the masses no se enya hwe ebia ono so mre ebe badache enti ma we nye se we were me say attack me say me lawyer move forward and I'm kind of say but honestly speaking no honorable Joe Wise no name me say them say on me no asem no make no kran say etuntum make ten say etuntum ekokwa make ten say ekoko but that is politics. If you don't have the thick skin untimi nye enti me da wase na ma srebe kwa man say omumwa na MPP say dey ahihia ma na kama no na yenyina ya muama ne na omampani so hyehyia ode aba fa COVID-19 no yemomodin na ni so se de be ya yare no entimi ensai amamfo yemomodin na ene o se hyefie ne hyefie na enchia na yasemi enchia ene yinsa ye hohoro ne ade nyina yeni so se de be ya COVID-19 no na so be free so ama yetimi aye de se yetimi ye ne da ma Ghana mpuntu ne tim konani
era se ye no kasa na ogituma interview no whatever it takes yabeba befa ye de yesum ye man ani nipa service to God and country. Subscribe to Kofi Agyenkwa TV for more. Bye bye for now.